What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, and in today's action-packed episode of Idiots in Cars we're gonna be watching a lot of dingleberries behind the wheel, so thank you very much for the support, I love you all, and with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this. Alrighty, apparently in today's episode the Ghost Rider got himself a new whip. This 50cc bad boy is gonna take you from a 0 to a 50 in about 2 weeks. But anyways, let's see, here you ain't winning that one, mate. There you go. You play stupid games, you win stupid prizes, buddy. Bro really tried to bully out of the way the Volvo truck. Whoa, ka-chow! That was kinda smooth, not gonna lie. And it looks like they like to make an entrance before they arrest someone. And now we all know what time it is. It's time for some power! And into the wall you go. It's just another day at the office for the average BMW driver. And you know what? The day when the BMW stops crashing is the day we need to start worrying. But that day won't come soon, I'm sure. And it's a pole position for that pickup truck, and it's a solid one. And by solid I mean he really nailed it. On to the next one we go. Oh, hold it, bro, no! Dearie me. I'm not an expert, but I think the weight distribution was the biggest problem here. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. Alright, this looks interesting. Nah man, it's a two-man job, you can't do it alone. The driver, observe. That's one way to do it. Sup y'all, how's it going? Got some milk? Bro made a drive-through. Oh, be careful, it's a Prius and a flying hood coming right at it. This looks like a start of a rebellion against the Prius. We need to fight back, one bodywork part at a time. And that motorcycle goes, meow, I'm speed, baby. And meanwhile, this guy, oof, that will hurt in the morning. I just hope he's alright, I hope. What? What is this? Hey yo, you need a license, bro, to be on the road. That tent or whatever it's called, it's reckless. And it doesn't give a damn. And here we have a Volkswagen on the left trying to force the lawnmower out of the way. Will he make it? We'll see. And of course the lawnmower is fighting back. Who's gonna win? I don't know. This is all wrong, but they will continue to fight. And now the Volkswagen turned on the indicator and he lost this one. The lawnmower wins. And also I got so carried away that I forgot who was wrong and who was right. But anyways, we're gonna move on, and booyah! His name is John Cena. Because that guy definitely didn't see him. Uh-oh, I hear sirens. And unfortunately, we all know what's gonna happen. Usually this is the international sound of get the hell out of the way. But some people are clearly having a hard time understanding that. I mean, I know mistakes can happen, but bro, when you hear those loud sirens, you have no excuse really. Whoa, 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 bro, whoa, 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 what the hell was that? Some people really shouldn't be out there on the road. Definitely, that was dangerous. Do we ever just look at someone's car and know exactly what type of driver they are? Whoa! Minivan of Doom attacks again. By hitting the other minivan, the friendly fire will not be tolerated. Be careful, lawnmower. No, bro. Unbelievable. People are not paying attention at all. Oh, hello there, Bumblebee. Oh, that V8 sounds mean. Let me know in the comments which one do you like the most. V8, V10 or V12? That guy just reversed into our dashcam guy. Whoa, NYPD is wilding out there. What the hell is going on here? Whoa. Is this a pursuit or something? Whoa! That was danger close. What is going on here? I'm confused. This looks like a road rage, not a pursuit. What on earth? Just when you thought you've seen everything, there is always that something that proves you wrong. And look at this! Best parking job ever. Just wiggle your steering wheel from left to right and you will get unstuck. Just like in GTA. And who the hell needs 4 wheels? When you can drive like this, no problems. Let's... You gotta slow down and look. You can just assume there's no one there. And people do that a lot. Let's see what is going on here. This looks like a Final Destination scene. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Careful, bro. Well, at least he corrected his mistake, which is a plus. I mean, he's not completely clueless, unlike some of the other guys in this video, and I wonder if you know how they live in Tokyo. That was an epic drift, and someone should give that man a raise. Definitely. Oh no, it's a Ford, and you know what they say about Fords. I'm not gonna say it here. Whoa, 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 bro, what the hell was that? He wasn't sure which gear to select. He was like, drive, reverse, drive, reverse, drive, reverse. Oh, no, 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 and another dingleberry who missed his exits. Whoa, that was a biggie. Almost always, it's a minivan or a Prius. And that's a fact. Ta-da-da-da-da. It's the one and only DOGG Snoop Dogg. That guy was having the time of his life. Bro just whacked himself. And what are those? Bro's got style. And all we can do is to be jealous of him. Whoa, this is level 900, stupid. Or should I say on a stupidity scale? Whoa, Fiat Panda, be careful. Why today nobody even bothered to look at a mirror? It's ridiculous. Even I recently had a close call with a guy who didn't want to check his mirrors. Whoa, what is this? International Dingleberry Day? Not one, not two, you get 3 for the price of 1. Whoa, 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 whoa. Chill out, bro. Oh, there goes the clap. A round of applause for this guy. That was so stupid and dangerous. Let's see here. Yo, you're too close, bro. Get off me. Back off. 10 things science can't explain. And one of those 10 things is right in front of you. I believe even he doesn't know why he did that, but it is what it is. We're gonna move on. And meanwhile, this guy decided to take a little detour. Apparently he wants to cut some grass or something like that, but I guess we'll find out soon. He's very careful, which is nice to see. It's like he knows he's doing something wrong, but he's careful. Don't worry, I'm getting out of here. I just need to turn around real quick. I'm guessing he's doing that, and I'll be out of your hair. I mean grass. That was strange, but okay. Whoa, bro, that was too close. And did you see that little Mustang on the dash? That is a nice detail. It's a nice touch. And you spin me right round, baby, right round. Oh, here comes the BMW. Whack! That's one way to open a gate. Honey, I'm home. And this time I didn't knock down the gates. It's still in 2 pieces. Oh, he got love tapped from behind. And it's up to him if he like it or not. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed in today's video. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more of this, of course. And leave a comment as well. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day. Just don't do it like these guys. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Love you all. Ciao, ciao.